In the post-COVID-19 era, bridging the medicine supply gap has made it crucial to rely on local pharmaceutical production to build capacity, boost research, and improve the health outcome of Africans. Introducing the Anambra Pharmaceutical Manufacturing Park, Ogbuji, a visionary project led by Mr. Governor Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo, CFR, aimed at revolutionizing healthcare in Anambra State and Nigeria. The Anambra Pharmaceutical Manufacturing Park is set to become Africa's leading pharmaceutical hub, fostering innovation, sustainability, and economic growth. Equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, this park will meet medicine demands, offering investment opportunities, research labs, and more. It will attract manufacturers with shared value, access to resources, skilled manpower, and streamlined import-export processes. Zoned into industrial, residential, recreational, commercial, and utility sectors, the park will be built to cater to a diverse community. It will include hospitals, offices, and schools to foster a flourishing community. Situated in Ogbuji, Orumba South in Anambra State, the park spans 200 hectares with multipurpose facilities to blend development and conservation. The Anambra Pharmaceutical Manufacturing Park will transform Nigeria's pharmaceutical landscape, boosting the economy, generating jobs, and improving medicine access. Invest in history. Invest in Anambra Pharmaceutical Manufacturing Park, Ogbuji. For more details, contact the Office of the Special Advisor on Medicals and Pharmaceuticals on 090-244-70150, 090-244-70150, or email info@ogbujifarmapark.anambrastate.gov.ng. This production is from the Office of the Special Advisor to the Governor on Medicals and Pharmaceuticals.